Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I wanted to invite you to trade oil with 13 market moves. And I never get really into detail about, well, how do you make this crazy kind of trades on oil? But I'm gonna try to give you a description of how a trade could possibly look like if you've never traded oil. And so we're looking at oil at around 83 bucks right now. Today, there is a chance that oil could drop to 80, and by Monday, oil could be at 78. On such a drop, on literally like a 3-point drop on oil today, you could make, by investing, let's say 5K, you can make 100 grand on a 3-point drop in oil. And you'd have to buy the right strike. Again, we're talking about trading oil, but the instrument we're using to trade oil is oil futures options. Okay, basically we are utilizing options to trade futures, and that is why such return is possible. But these moves, they have to be timely. You certainly cannot gain that sort of traction going from 5K to 100K or 100K to 5 mil on oil if you use longer term expiration. So that's where 13 market moves comes handy into calculating what is the day on which the probability of something making an outsized move is likely, and sometimes just a little bit larger move than what the market is normally accustomed to can get you paid exponentially. So this is just in a nutshell, right? So for those of you who never traded oil, you may think, okay, so oil drops a couple of dollars, what's the big deal? It's a huge deal if you got the right strike, if you got the right direction, if you got the right expiration on these contracts. So if you'd like to learn more about how to trade oil, and by the way, in trade oil 23 hours a day, basically. Oil futures only stop trading for a brief moment between 4 and 5 p.m. Eastern time. Actually, between 5 and 6 p.m. Eastern time. So that's basically the only hour that you wouldn't be able to trade oil futures. But other than that, I'll be honest with you, the greatest trades this year at 13 market moves were done on oil, because everyone was actually highly bullish here when a few countries were cutting oil production, and we've nailed that move. Actually, even before in the chart, we've nailed a further move that was to the downside. And when everybody got really bearish right here, we started getting bullish on oil, and now we are bearish on oil again. So ton of opportunity in oil. And I just want you to know, guys, maybe you're trading some bullshit like, I don't know, AMD or something that just doesn't move a ton. But even AMD, we've got some magnificent trades recently. But even if you're trading something that is just, you buy something and it just doesn't move, right? So this would be a great instrument for you to gain some traction on, just switching some things that you are trading, trying some new things, trying different markets. If you're just used to trading stock options, like this could be a great alternative. And by the way, if you switch your trading strategy, these trades, especially if you work with an account under 25K, guys, you can place unlimited trades on oil futures, okay? So there's no PDT to worry about. There's no day trading limitations to worry about. I mean, this is an instrument that can make you a ton of money. And if you don't know how to trade it, if you're not trading at times at 3 in the morning, if you're not trading at times at 8 o'clock at night when the market in Japan opens, guys, you're missing some really key time frames in the market that could get you paid a ton. So with that, I invite you to trade oil with us here at 13 Market Moves, so you can switch up your trading routine and discover some trading opportunities that normally you wouldn't think about. So I'm gonna get some coffee to get going for the day. It's 4 in the morning. So let's roll on oil. Very, very interesting setup. Interesting standpoint that this top in oil matches the top in all the technology stocks. Now, what does oil have to do with technology stocks? Well, both oil and technology stocks are very very responsive to higher interest rates. And the fact that oil is topping out at the same time, you've got stocks like Meta that's topping out. Microsoft has topped out a while back within the last few weeks. But in a lot of technology stocks, they're still very, very close to the top. And oil, I think, just hit a top. Like, I think last time everyone was so highly bullish right here. I was saying, hey, short. There's a video somewhere there. When we hit that level, I said 82. You got to short 82 in oil, 82 in oil. And so by market structure and definitions, we would have to make a decent size pullback here, which, by the way, I'm not sure. We may see oil at 74, 76 before it resumes a possible move higher. So, but the setup is ideal right now. Place your trade in oil with us today. Let's go, guys.